Hey everyone, it's Saturday and welcome back. Welcome to episode 5 of my Show and Tell Saturday series. I'm already on episode 5. I'm so glad that I got this Show and Tell Saturday series started. Um, it's so much fun and I look forward to it every week. And I hope for those of you that are coming back and have been on my channel and have subscribed and you're getting notifications of when I post new stuff. I sure hope that you are enjoying. You know, I can't think of a better way than to sit down on a Saturday, and just connect with all of you and just have fun talking about jewelry. Chill out, relax, unwind, and just look at a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of fun. And that's what I enjoy about it. So I hope you guys are having those same feelings that I am, and just having a nice light Saturday for 15 or 20 minutes, at least, tuning in to watch my series here. So welcome all. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jen. And thank you so much for tuning in. And as I said, this is Show and Tell Saturdays. So today, friends, we are all full and stuffed, I hope, from our Thanksgiving feast that we just had 2 days ago. And if you're traveling and enjoying shopping and out and about with your family and loved ones and friends, I sure hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend and enjoying that. And so what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about something that is one of my favorite things, which are stretch bracelets. I can't get enough of them, you guys. I don't think many of you out there can either. Because they're just trending. And I think the trend is going to continue into 2024, which, can you believe, you guys? I mean, it's a month away. I don't even know what happened to 2023. I mean, it's like poof, gone. And so, boy, for me, this year flew by. So anyway, that's what we're going to do today. We're doing a show and tell on a bunch of the stack bracelets that I have recently designed and put together. So before we jump into show and tell on my bracelets, just another quick reminder, since it is the big Black Friday shopping weekend, just to let all of you know, everything that I'm showing you here today is available up on my Etsy site. I'll put a link in the description. And this weekend, and only through the coming Friday, so for the next few days, next, 6 days or so, 25% off of everything in my shop. And that ends December 1st. Plus, you spend $35, you'll get free shipping. And so also I've got a lot of this up and listed to where it's buy more, save more, which kind of goes in theme with these amazing stackable, mixable, matchable stretch bracelets, because so many of them are really designed to go together. And so I do have a lot of it up to where if you like 3 or 4, and you want to buy the full set, you save more. So just a quick shout out about that. If you are in the shopping mood and looking for gifts this weekend, head over to my Etsy store and take advantage of the sale I have going right now, which will end on Friday. So with that said, let's jump into it. So, guys, listen, I love stack bracelets. I love to, it's about a mood, right? I do like minimalist as well, but I love something like you can see from my personal collection I've got on here today. I love something about just sometimes stacking 4 or 5, sometimes even 7 or 8 of them together. So that's what I love about stretch bracelets, is that's exactly how much fun you can have with them. So that's what I've done with what I pulled out here today. Is I've aimed towards stacking, mixing, and matching. So let's start over here in this second row, furthest from your screen, in what I call my staples. So your classic black, but I've also got it mixed in with gray. And I don't know about you, but I'm kind of a little bit of a fashionista. Gray is like the new black, right? Gray is the new white. You can almost put gray with anything in your wardrobe. So that was where this set of 6 or 7 was designed from, kind of a perspective of, black goes with white, black goes with purple, black goes with gray, gray goes with blue, gray goes with green, gray goes with pink. And so how fun to put these together. So that's what I designed here. And the other thing you might notice about, let me go ahead and pick all of these up, is a lot of these, a couple of these have some focals, but what do the one thing all of these have in common is they're all pearls, right? Pearls, pearls, and more pearls. And even if you put all of these on together, look, I mean, that's a look, right? I cannot. So that's what I love about this set that I've made with all the pearls. So I've got blacks and several shades of gray into the pewter. And then I've got some gorgeous focals in here and some spacers, a couple of them. I've got some really cute dangles. And then I also put some crystals in there. And you can just have a ton of fun with these mix and match and stack pearl staple colors. What I also like about these is that you can wear these alone. Like this is a moment all by itself. You don't even need anything with it. But it's even funner when like you have this moment, right? Like that's also a moment, right? So that's what I like about this particular collection that I put together is, they're fun to mix and match and stack, and they really go with virtually anything that you've got in your closet. So these are really fun, and again, the pearls, they're super soft and lightweight. As you can see on my wrist, I've got lots of pearls going on here, mix and match with all my fun little bling here. Purple's one of my favorite, and blue is another one of my favorite colors. So pearls, they're super soft on the skin, they're lightweight, and really, really fun to stack. So I had fun with those. Let's jump over here to what I call my blue moon. So this is a really fun set as well. Now these are really cool, these big gray, they're rubber, and they're really cool. And then what I did with this set is I put what I guess what would you guys call that? About a 3/4 crescent moon, I suppose. So that is darling little charm. And then these are like a gray blue smoke crystal rondelle, and I've spaced those in between these larger beads. And over here, I've got some cool like disco silver sparkles and some really large clear rondelles as well. And those are really fun to wear together. And I call that my blue moon set. And these are super duper lightweight and cute. Another thing too, guys, is about my show and tell series that I forgot to mention. And I think arguably, one of the most important things besides the obvious, just relax, let's have fun. And, oh, let me see what this girl's doing. Oh, let me see what that person's doing. Is the whole concept of connecting and paying forward inspiration. That's what I love. I watch as many channels that are out there as just as many of you, I hope, are tuning into me. I get ideas and I love to pay ideas forward. So that's another thing I hope that you find fun about my Show and Tell Saturday series. One of the main reasons I started it was really about sharing ideas and inspiration. So that's what's so fun about jewelry too. This here, friends, is just gorgeous. These are my final set. If you are into gemstones, I don't do a lot of gemstone. I do some, mainly in the summer and spring months. But these are the last of my jade collection. I've got one that has gold spacers and one that has silver. And these are pretty significant in weight. They're just absolutely beautiful, but they're gorgeous glossy finish. I think this are probably are 8 and 10 millimeter. And they're just absolutely stunning. And for those of you that are like gemstone junkies out there, you know more than me, but you know, jade is a very popular gemstone. It's good for prosperity and luck, and a very popular gemstone. So that's my fun little set of jade bracelets. And then we get into I'm gonna have fun with Barbie. Barbie movie came out and it inspired me to make a Barbie inspired set of bracelets, and that's exactly what we've got here. So these, of course, for my fellow beaters out there, as you know, these are disco balls. You can't have too much fun with these, right? I mean, I just cannot. Every girl needs a little sparkle and shine, and these are great to wear alone or to stack together. So disco balls is what we've got going on here. I've got a few little pearls in this one and some cute little white rondelle sparkle spacers. Those are super fun. So that's all about Barbie. And then these are, and you can wear all of these together as well, or alone. All 4 of these are designed exactly that way, to put together, or each individual is so significant in size in terms of the bead size I use that you can wear these alone easy. So this Barbie inspired set is probably my favorite. I just love the way this turned out. These beads are just gorgeous. They're all glass beads on both of these, except for obviously the significant large pink bead. Here, I'll pull it up. Maybe you can see it is material, and it's very tightly wrapped, like a hot pink thread that's glued around this bead. And so this one's actually a little heavier, but they're kind of like medium. They're not super, super heavy, but do you see that? See these beads, what I mean, like in the light? They're pink. They have like a shine finish, but they also like are opaque, and I don't know. They just pick up all these different colors. They're so, so pretty. Just gorgeous, as are these pink beads. And then of course I put a cute little cubic zirconia little charm dangle on this one, and that's just super cute. So that's my Barbie inspired set of bracelets there. Let's jump over here. These beads are so pretty, you guys. I don't even know where I bought these. I could not tell you. And I've never seen a bead like this since I bought it, and I've not seen a bead since I bought it. These are glass, and they are absolutely just so beautiful. They are like a very deep purple, almost like a plum. And then the other side of the bead is this gorgeous blue. And then it's got these black swirls in them, and they're glass. And then they kind of have like a white in the center. I mean, they're stunning. And so I decided to put those with this fun set that you can stack. These have gold spacers in between them. This one has these gorgeous, I'll pull it up there, beautiful little 2 millimeter, very, very deep purple crystals. And they're super fun. And that one has a cute little dangle charm on it. It's a light pink. And so this is another really fun set to wear together. These are just so beautiful. I love these beads. And then these are also all glass again. And look how fun this is. They're just like all these cool different shapes. Every single shape is like on there. We've got bicones and kind of like cube beads and oval beads and round beads. They're just super fun. And so that is a really super fun set, again, to mix, match, and stack. And those are all glass on that one, except for obviously the daisy spacers. And then last but not least, one of my favorite color palettes period, is Southwest inspired. And I think a lot of you would agree with me, right? Like, who doesn't love Southwest? So many reasons. First of all, you can go crazy mixing the color palettes of those blues. You can put them with white and bronze and coppers and reds. I mean, orange. It just, there is no limit. That is what I love. This is some of my favorites. In fact, this might be about all I've got left. I've sold quite a bit of this in the last week on my site. They're kind of flying out of here. So I think I'm not alone. I think I'm not alone. I think that all of us love some Southwest. And you know why? Because you can wear it with so many different things, especially if you're like me, a jeans and t-shirt kind of girl. You know, don't get me wrong, I love my glam and I love to dress up, but I love my jeans and my t-shirts, right? My boyfriend jeans and my t-shirts is my comfy zone, or my joggers. And you can throw these with that, and that's what I love about it. So I just really went kind of crazy. And I've got these two right here, I think are the only two. Yeah, these are the only two that I have left that have a charm on it. And this one is a cute little feather charm. This one's really beautiful. I'll show you that one by himself. And this is a nice little white focal, and it's a cute little feather charm. But look how beautiful. These are kind of like an amber gold tone bicone crystal. They are stunning. And these are like a greenish crystal. And then these larger these are 8mm, like a light aqua rondelle. But they have kind of like a wash with veins in it. And then, of course, some beautiful aqua pearls. This is just really, really pretty. And so this one you can wear alone. Or, of course, I like to, stack it with this one. And I believe this one might be up on my site as a set. And I believe it might be. And, again, just crystals. Bunch of cute spacers and some daisy spacers and some cute clear and then some white little beads in there. So that's a really fun set as well. And then, of course, in this section, we're getting into my palette of the bronze. I'm putting the bronze and the copper and mixing that all in with these really fun focal Southwest beads. They're really fun. And then I've got pearls. I've got some hammered beads in a couple of different shapes. Those cool aqua rondelles again. These are really cool ovals. This one has a sparkle. This one is more of a matte. And then I've got some that have like a stamping in them and then some hammered. These are really, really gorgeous crystals here. Look how pretty these are. They're like a copper, but they're carved out around the entire center with blue. And they're super pretty. I love these, and I've got those on a couple of these, and these are just insanely gorgeous. I don't have any idea where I got those either, but those are about gone. So these are so fun, again, to mix, match, and stack together. You know, you can just really have so much fun, or you can wear them alone. But I love me some Southwest. So that is what I think, everything that I think I show and telled all of it. That's not even a word, but you know what? I just made up a word, you guys. I show and telled. I think I just completed the show and tell with everything on the table is what I meant to say. And I think I even showed you what I've got, the sparkle, a little bit of sparkle and shine on my wrist today. That's from my personal collection. So anyway, I hope you guys had some fun and enjoyed that show and tell Saturday. This was episode 5, you guys. So I'm so excited to keep going on this series, and I hope you guys had fun for 20 minutes of your day to step inside my world, and maybe you found a little bit of inspiration to make something of your own. And so if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs like at the tongue twister, a thumbs up like. And if you have not yet, hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. I'll continue posting great videos. So that is show and tell Saturday for today. And again, I hope everybody is having an amazing Thanksgiving weekend. And if you're out and about traveling or shopping, be safe out there. Until next time, friends, be blessed.